Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Hannah back with another video. Finally, I know. Just keep watching and I explain myself in the beginning of this video. But first, we do have a sponsorship for this video. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring this video. And yeah, roll the tape. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Dossier. Dossier, I've worked with them in the past. It is my favorite perfume company. If you know me, you know that I like to stay cruelty free. I also have expensive taste. So that comes to be an issue when you want expensive brand stuff because you know that they're not cruelty free. Dossier has come to our rescue. Dossier is an online company that actually creates cruelty free versions of really fancy, kind of like cult perfumes, right? So like Chanel perfumes or Estee Lauder, like all of those really high-end popular perfumes that girl you know are not cruelty free. They make a cruelty free version of it, and guess what? It's a lot cheaper as well. They ship their perfumes in a cute little box like this. You get a perfume and you also get a little sample tube. They send you this little sample tube so that you can take the sample out, sniff it, play around with the scent if you want, and if you decide that you don't like the scent, you can actually just put the little test tube back, ship the perfume box back to the company, and you will not be charged. Now, this is within 30 days of receiving it. So that's pretty awesome if you ask me. Now, obviously, when you're ordering a perfume, you don't know, just by ordering it online, you don't know what it smells like really, but they make it so easy to be able to explore new scents and just send it right back and never be charged for it. But you know what that scent smells like, and now you know what you don't like. Obviously, make sure that the big perfume is completely sealed and obviously unused so that you are not charged. You could call it a risk-free order. Dossier is a French brand, so I'm all about my French babies. Let's go. If you're in France, holla. Anyways, they're vegan and cruelty-free. Two scents that I have recently added to my collection are the Floral 2. I have the Fresh Floral 3 perfume. Quite fresh, I would say. You can really smell that pear and mint in it. The other one that I got is Floral 2. It's a very strong jasmine-y smell. I'm so happy to tell you guys that you can get 10% off of your first order with Dossier if you use the code HannahBlair10. I'll put it up on the screen, the code to use, and hit that link below, girlfriend, to get 10% off your first order. I hope you enjoy this journey. Don't like in the background too much, okay? Hey, buddy. Oh, watch out, buddy. There's a TV tray there. Yes, you're sitting on a TV tray. Here's the deal, y'all. I have been gone for over a month, I know, because I have been putting 100% of myself into my other job, which I had no idea was gonna be so consuming to the point where I literally wasn't able to create content that I wanted to watch. Like, if I was going to create content while I was working the past month, it would have just been vlogs, and it would have been the most boring vlogs ever because one, I'm just bad at vlogs. Like, I can't like get someone to record me for the life of me. I don't know, I'm just the worst vlogger, so it always ends up just me being in my car to and from places being like, hey, just did this, gotta go do this. I don't want to watch that. And I have like 2 videos halfway edited that I just decided this isn't good enough. For one, it was extremely expensive and so lonely to travel by myself constantly. And 2, I really wasn't able to focus on YouTube, and that's ultimately what I care most about. So I made another transition in my career life to where I'm able to work from home. I'm not working with the other company anymore. I loved the people, so sadly I'll miss them, but after so long, I mean, I just kept feeling like a big disappointment to myself really because I wasn't doing what I loved. Anyways, that's where I've been. I've been constantly traveling by myself, staying in a basement by myself, talking to a bunch of different clients all over the state of Iowa. It's been a lot, you guys. Okay, we don't need to be rambling now, Hannah. So now I am home. This is my first day that I'm at home alone in my apartment because Abel just started working again. I love having, that's another thing when I film, guys, I love to be alone. Like, I can't film with someone. I mean, Linky can be here, but he doesn't judge. And it's not because I feel like people are judging me. I just feel like I am like hyper aware of myself and to the point where I don't feel like I can formulate good thoughts and sentences in my videos, because then I just think of like, oh, someone's in the other room listening to me. So like when I was staying in the basement, there's another family living there, so they can literally hear me like through the walls being like, hey guys. Like, no, that makes me cringe so bad. Like, I don't want anyone to hear me do that. For some reason I'm just like, gross. No, I have to be alone. I have to be in a preferably sound safe box where no one can hear me. But today it's my first day at home in my apartment, and guess what, my apartment is a big reflection of how my life has been lately. So are these roots, but we're gonna fix the apartment part today. Today my apartment is completely trashed, and I thought, you know, they haven't seen my apartment yet. Should I just introduce them to my apartment by cleaning it? I mean, I don't know. I feel like it'll be nice to like see a place go from dirty to clean, and then it's like at the end of the video it's kind of like an apartment tour reveal, right? Because then you know what it looks like. But first you're gonna know what it looks like when it's dirty, so it's like bad news before the good news, you know? We gotta stay till the end for the good news. So do y'all hear that sound? I hope you don't, but I know you do. That's the monster living in our utility closet with like the AC and everything in it. Don't know what's happening. It just started making that sound all the time. Yeah, the AC is not even on. All I've done so far this morning is I fed Linky, is make some coffee, drinking it out of my Luxembourg cup. Brian, if you're watching this, I friggin' miss the heck out of you. I drink out of my Luxembourg coffee to remind myself of you. So I'm getting my second cup of coffee now. I have been really liking the Stoke brand. I don't know about you guys, but their creamer's pretty good. Their coffee even better. But yeah, I've just been, you know, using my French press, because Abel, the Babel, bought some 8 o'clock ground coffee. Never had it before, don't know where he got it. Could have got it at the gas station for all I know. I'm having a good time. Now that I have my second cup, I will give you guys an overview of what my apartment looks like right now. I'm not even gonna shut the dishwasher. I'm not even gonna dispose of any of this unnecessary trash or dirty clothes, because we're getting vulnerable. Okay, airing out our dirty laundry for everybody to see. Coming into the kitchen. These need to be put up. They are clean dishes. I know that one pot looks questionable, but she just always looks like that. You know, she's one of those. Dirty dishes. Okay, don't look too hard. Yeah. No, I'm not embarrassed. I bet some of y'all's places look worse than this. So when we are done with this kitchen, this whole counter space should have nothing on it except for the flowers, the cactus, and that thing, the whole fruits and veggies. Hey, I actually made these shelves. That's right, you heard me right. I'm very proud because I love them. I made them with red thread to match our red trash can, if you're wondering. I hate everything that's on these. Abel's men's vitamins. It's a candle, which is like the least thing I hate. And a dead plant. Need some innovation going on in here. And now we pan over to the living room. So we got dog toys everywhere. We got shoes. We got clothes. We have an ice chest from when we went camping. We have a pillow. We have some clothes. We have TV trays with plates on them. We have an emptied open beer. Thank you, Abel. We have a laptop over there. She's fine. She's cute. All these shoes that are not organized. We have a huge tent and tarp laying here because we went camping, and I guess no one had time to put that up. Lights, which I had just got back in town with, and my bag, which I just got back in town with. So we have a bike rack that should not be here. Thank you, Abel. So basically, whenever we're done with this area, it should be nothing here except for the couch, the pillows on it. That ottoman is supposed to be the coffee table, and all those TV trays need to be put up. Over here, we have a bunch of CBD weed. Yeah, just a bunch of unnecessary stuff. The only thing that should be over here is that pink candle, that world globe, all of these stones, and that hand in the cloud that says I love you. This could just be decluttered the heck out of, you know. Look at this cute painting though that Abel's mom made for us. Isn't it so darling? Oh yeah, it's not paint, it's oil pastels, I believe. Look at Linky in it. This is the starting point. This is where that monster is. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, So this is actually kind of embarrassing for me, but it's fine. We're vulnerable, okay? Granted, guys, I haven't been here but for like a couple weekends in the past month. So like literally 2 weekends I've been here. So obviously need to get all of this situated and, you know, all these clothes. And then we go over here. This is Abel's area. He's very, very proud of his whole setup here. He just got this new computer. He got this whole PC down there. Anyways, this chair, yeah, this is like what I guess Abel and his buddies brought into here to like game together, but that actually belongs in the living room next to the mirror, so she'll be moving. Yeah, more clothes. Today will be a laundry day. Gotta fix the sheets, gotta fix the bed. These windows, actually, I used to hate them when I first moved into the apartment, but whenever I actually started sleeping in here, I can lay down and I wake up and I see like a jungle canopy, it looks like. So sometimes I'll wake up and I'll see squirrels like sitting on that branch. Now I'm back in bed. How did I get here? This is not good. She needs to evacuate to do responsible shit. Ah! Okay, so hopefully that didn't just change y'all's opinion of me completely. I know that we can all be messy here, okay? We all consume a bunch of stuff that leads to trash. We're all trash bags with legs, and we just leave more trash bags everywhere we go, so let's just get down and dirty with it. Okay, no, but I thought I should feel a little bit cuter while cleaning my apartment, so this is what I did. Put on a little black dress, and I put my hair in a messy bun. So I'm gonna start this cleanup process by going and picking up all the trash, throwing it away, and then putting all the dirty dishes and dirty clothes where they should be. Okay, so we've already made pretty good progress picking up all of the clothes. I can never decide if I like that blanket to be folded or like messily construed over the couch, because I always end up making it look like that anyway. So even if I fold it up, it doesn't last like that for very long. So I'm like, this can just be a look, right? This tent and the tarp we still need to move out of the apartment, as well as that bike rack. And then over here we have made progress on the countertops. No more trash, no more unnecessary findings. Here we have a shit ton of dishes to do and a shit ton of dishes to put up. So if y'all are curious what's up here at my windowsill, it's a picture of my parents. Look how cute my mom is. She's not even opening her eyes. I have my grandma curtains here, but I open them up all the way when I'm doing dishes so I can get that good nature vibe going. I love it. I really do like this apartment. I'm not gonna lie. I actually just got the notification that Jennifer is sending someone already. Someone's already on the way to look at that godforsaken AC sound. Some man is gonna show up, I guess, and I'm just gonna be here cleaning with a camera on me. It's not weird, right? In my own home. You can't come in here and judge me. You know what really bothers me, and I'm just gonna point it out because just in case you've already been noticing it, is right there where the lights come down. Yeah, that. I need to fix that. I don't know how, but I will because I hate it. Because look, it looks so much better if it's just like that. So look what happens if I tape it. I mean, I can't fully get rid of it, but it's hanging down a lot less. So I usually do listen to musicals while I do my dishes. One of the things I absolutely loved about this apartment was its huge cabinets. I love me some huge cabinets. Hey Siri, play Backyard Boy.
Playing Backyard Boy by Blair and friends.
Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Backyard, boy. Looking super fine.
Okay, so we've emptied the dishwasher now. Now we just have to do all of these dishes. I look to my parents for motivation. Okay, I know y'all don't want to hear the sink running, so I'm just gonna skip to where I'm done with the dishes and they're loaded. Okay. Okay, I'm done with the dishes. happy. He came and he fixed the noise. Thank God. So now I don't have this crazy background sound that I don't know what to do with. Beautiful. Now I just have the dishwasher running, but you know, that's not an issue. That's the sweet, sweet sound of production. This kitchen is looking pretty pristine, if you ask me. Just swept it, and I wiped out the counters after putting all the dishes up. I just need to do laundry now. Yeah, we love that. So, okay, so notice I have 2 piles now. So, dirty clothes and clothes I need to put back up. Notice how that one is literally bigger. And notice how much they would be if they were to be combined. Linky wants me to play with him, but I got to do laundry. So I'm going to put this in the load. And I'm going to put this up back to where it goes in my closet. And then my next objective will be to clear off all of this and get it organized. So at our apartment complex, how we do laundry is we pay for it. $1 for wash and $1.50 for dryer. So I have to travel to the ends of the earth to find all the quarters I need to do laundry. And now I've got enough quarters to do 3 loads. So these are my washers and these are my dryers. Lincoln came with me today to do the laundry. If you're wondering what detergent we use the 7th generation powered by plants fresh lavender scent detergent. Okay, wow, I feel so accomplished. So I just need to declutter all this, put it where it needs to go, and then I will be done cleaning. Just like that, I put all my beauty shit away. And yeah, I know that this drawer isn't like all the way in, but like I don't know, just ignore that. All of the makeup that you used to see is now in here where it should be. Shoot guys, that was a lot, and now I'm freaking done. Alright, Linky. I think I'm done cleaning. I think I'm done, Link. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this crazy video of me transforming my apartment. I hope you liked my apartment and what you saw in it. I don't know, hopefully you did. I kind of do like it where I live. It's kind of cute. I think it's kind of cute. I don't know. It's humble, but it's cute. Humble chic. I'm gonna go because I need to carry out this other work stuff today. Give it a like if you felt encouraged to do anything productive in your life. That was kind of the goal. And also let me know what you want to see from me. I'm always up for new ideas. Reminder to check out Dossier down below. Click that link and use HannahBlair10 for your first order to be 10% off. It's lit. Love you guys. Bye.